What up guys? Today we are going to install the adapters for the Nissan GTR R35 coils into the 2JZ, which is right behind me. So basically those are 3D printed adapters which withstand 215 degrees Celsius, so it's going to be plenty for us. And also we're going to get the Nissan GTR, use these shorteners here, replace the big stalk, put the small one, and then put it in there. And then we're gonna get one of those boats. This is gonna be very steady and it's gonna be beautiful. I might sell this on my website, so watch out if you want one. See if it's gonna work on my car first. So this is what I do. I have this speaker here which is kind of curved, so it curves down. It's not gonna poke a hole. So I'm trying to go to the first. This is how it looks inside, so I'm gonna try to release the first one and then go to the second one. This is aftermarket, is not OEM Nissan, so I took it out. Same on this side. Oops. Nice. Now this is out. I have the spring right here. I'm gonna cut and leave one or two extra grooves, so I'm gonna cut right here. The short part goes to the bottom. I'm gonna take the fusible link out there. Now you flip this up and gently twist, holding this part here and pull up. Now you do like this. Put the fusible link, get the part that has 3 grooves, put in there. There you go. And if you look through the hole, you can see the other side. I don't know if you're gonna be able to. And then you put it in. And same thing, push. When you hear the 2 clicks, you do like this, so it's done. So I'm gonna finish them all. Alright, they all done. This I'm gonna save. Now we're gonna go for these ones. So we're gonna use the smaller bolts to put them in here and assemble in the engine. We start putting one out there. As you see, I'm gonna put the other one here, but basically this goes in there. There's a bolt which is a 10mm, and it aligns in the hole of the adapter. So the harness, first one, I'm gonna get the second. Now we're gonna go for the second one, just like that, with a 4mm. Two more. There you go. There you go. Finally, the one that has a bigger bump, it goes right on the back. And now one is bigger than the other ones. This one goes right here. You cannot even see that that's bigger when it's down. And this goes in there. And there you go. Look at that. I just didn't connect the last one because I need to plug something, but I have 2 connectors here ready to receive all the coils right there, and here all the injectors. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty clean, and this is gonna look very good, better than my BMW with the 2JZ. And also, if you know something about using the Yaris coils, is you cannot use this cover anymore in here, and with this one you can. Even with me using the line here and all that stuff, I can always make an adaptation here, an adapter, whatever, but the coils clear beautifully. Look at that. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not, but you tell me, what do you think, with or without? Bam. Maybe without it. And that's it guys, one step closer. Don't miss the next videos, there's a lot coming. I'm on wiring right now, So very soon I'm gonna be able to turn the key and see some ECU information. You have no idea how excited I am by that. And if you guys need this, and you probably saw it working, go to my website www.carmodsgarage.com and you can find this there. Alright, and